Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy here, Kirk. Today we are working on this Mitsubishi L200. We removed the condenser, receiver dryer, compressor, and now we are on our way removing the evaporator core. If it's your first time on this channel, guys, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video. This is the brand new compressor that we're going to install on the vehicle. We already removed the old one. This is the old one that we removed, and I'm just gonna show you the new evaporator core that we're gonna install. This is it. The compressor comes in this box, the new one. We never have enough time to do a step-by-step video, so I'm just doing this short clip to show you guys. Remember, if you're in Jamaica and you need your auto AC to service, you can contact us. The number is on the screen. Almost finished removing the core. Guys, evaporator core now out, and this is the old one that we removed, and this is the new one that we're going to install. Guys, this is the old receiver dryer, and this is a new one that we're going to install. We already installed the condenser and also the compressor. Just fitting up back the dashboard now. Guys, we finished fit up back the dashboard. Right now we are reinstalling back the AC belt. As soon as we finish tying up the belts, we're going to install the new receiver dryer and fit up back the pipe that connects to the evaporator core. Then we're going to pressurize the system. Once there is no leak, we're going to vacuum and regas. Right, guys, I reinstalled the receiver dryer. Finally guys, we finished remove and replace the parts. We also fully regas the vehicle. See the compressor running. You can also see the low side pipe sweating. A lot of water. A good sign that the air conditioner is working properly. Woo! AC is blowing cold again. Another successful job from Kirk School Year Auto. If you are new on the channel guys, please subscribe. Support the channel. Mitsubishi L200. Evaporator core, compressor and receiver dryer replacement. Until next time guys, peace out.